This is the first morning that I've taken the drone along to shoot some footage of us pumping a grease interceptor. It is right at 7 o'clock in the morning. Sun's just coming up. We are pumping a 9,000 gallon interceptor. You can see the lids there. There's like 9 lids, 3 lids to a tank, each of them being 3,000 gallon interceptor tanks. One of the guys with one of the semis came along first and pumped 5,000 of it, so we just had to finish up this cold December morning. Really, it wasn't too bad. It's probably about 25 degrees this morning. This is a shot of an area of Ankeny called Prairie Crossing that the lights were still shining pretty bright and everything. That turned out pretty neat. Neat view of this. Just expanding community up there in Ankeny that is just incredible. They've got all kinds of restaurants. They've got a big IMAX theater going in. They've got a bowling alley going in, and fitness center, and like I said, all kinds of restaurants and bars and everything. But I've always wanted to get the drone up in the air and take an overhead view of our truck pumping, one of the trucks, and of course this is our 4,500 gallon pumper truck, the newest. This is a 2018 Freightliner, like I said, with a 4,500 gallon tank on it. Ben is manning the hose there that is pumping this out, and you're going to see him, the little headlamp there. As I get closer down here, you'll see him working it, and now he's going to check how many gallons are in that truck, is what he's actually doing. And he's going to pump a little more, I'm sure, and everything to fill this truck up. We had to get one more stop on this truck and everything, but it was a beautiful sunrise again, and just fun to shoot this footage with the drone. I've dreamed of doing this for a long time, and this was the perfect morning, perfect situation to get it out, get up and get a nice sunrise along with the truck pumping and everything. I don't turn the volume on when I'm flying the drone, because you get so much of the noise of the drone itself as you're flying and everything, and I just wanted a nice quiet shot of the truck itself pumping and everything. And I'll add some different music maybe to this and stuff, but just wanted to play with it. I'm just basically playing, and I'm learning how to use the drone and getting some neat footage of us pumping. In the future, I just want to do more and more of this. It doesn't take long to get the drone in the air and do what I'm doing. Now that I'm a certified drone pilot, I guess I've got my license now, so we can get out and take some more footage and everything, and be confident in what I'm doing and everything. I'm zooming back. This is a pretty neat shot to be able to do this, and the different things you can do with a drone is just an amazing shot you can take. If you look way down in the horizon to the right of the screen, way on the horizon, you'll see downtown Des Moines, which is about, I'd say it's 12 miles down there. I think that's 801 Grand. I think it's the tallest building in the Des Moines skyline, and then some of the other buildings, and I think the Capitol might have been even sticking up there. That is right basically in the center of your screen right now. Is we're looking downtown Des Moines to the south, and again, just trying to take as smooth a video as I possibly can. It's all a learning process. I'm just having a ton of fun doing this with the drone and my other camera, my GoPro. I wish the sun was even up a little higher. It would have been a little neater shot and everything, but you can see how you can just zoom in and come in, and I can't wait to be able to go out with the other guys with the semis and take some shots of those guys pumping with 2 big semis working together and everything. So you can see the actual picture is getting a little lighter. The sun is coming up and it's getting brighter. Ben, I think, has just about got a load, and probably will be shutting this down here just a little bit. We wouldn't be able to work without those headlamps. Those work pretty good, shining them down in those grease interceptors and everything. So just a fun morning.